In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request money on PayPal without any fees. Whether you're splitting a dinner bill, collecting funds for a group gift, or simply managing your personal transactions, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate PayPal with ease and confidence. First, let's head over to PayPal. Open your web browser and type in the PayPal homepage URL. Once the page loads, you'll see the familiar PayPal interface. Look towards the top right of the page and you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. After you've done that, press the login button to access your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you should be on the main account page. Here you'll notice various options for managing your finances. What we want to do next is locate the Pay and Get Paid section. It's usually right on the dashboard, making it convenient to find. Click on it and it will lead you to a new set of options that focus on transactions and payments. Now within that section you'll see something that says Accept Payments. This is the area that contains everything you need to collect money. Once you've clicked on Accept Payments, a menu will appear and this is where you'll choose to request money. Clicking on Request Money will take you to a new page where you can initiate a request. Here's where you enter the crucial details. You'll be prompted to input the recipient's information, typically their email address or mobile number. Make sure to double check this detail to ensure it's accurate, as it's essential for directing the payment request correctly. Once entered, click Next to proceed. The next screen is where you specify the amount you wish to request. Enter the exact amount you need, ensuring it reflects the true nature of your request. You also have the option to add a personalized message for the recipient. This can be useful to clarify the reason for the request or to add a polite note. Once you're satisfied with the details, click Request a Payment. And that's it, you've successfully sent a payment request using PayPal without any additional fees. The recipient will get a notification of your request and can make the payment directly through PayPal. This feature makes managing finances simpler and stress-free, providing a seamless experience for both parties involved. Thanks for watching and happy transacting.